Some more breaking updates coming in, viewers. Now, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh held a meet with the CDS and the service chief to review the situation along the LOC, especially in Ladakh, amid the standoff with the Chinese personnel that we have witnessed over the line of control. In fact, the meet went on for more than 60 minutes. This is the latest update coming in, breaking updates of Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, who held a meet with the CDS as well as the service chief to review the situation along the LOC. Let's go across to our political editor Aishwarya Kapoor, who's also joining us over the phone line. Aishwarya, important meeting that is on currently. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh held a meet with the CDS as well as the service chief to review the situation along the LAC.
Well, yes, Richa, this meeting took place around an hour ago from now, and this meeting was chaired by the Defence Minister. It had in presence the CDS, all the three army chiefs and also senior officials of the Ministry of Defence. Keeping in mind that the minister concerned, that is the Defence Minister, Raksha Mantri, has been briefed regarding India's response to the Chinese escalation alongside the LAC and specifically in the Ladakh sector. We are told that the minister has been apprised of the escalation which has been done by the Chinese army, by the BDR of the Chinese army onto the Chinese side. The government of India has made it official that the Chinese have not, and I repeat, have not crossed over onto the Indian line of the LAC is still controlled by the Indian soldiers, but the Indian army has aptly reciprocated to the escalation of the Chinese. That means we have also scaled up, we have also beefed up on our side because the Chinese have initiated it. India has made it. Yes, Richard.
Absolutely, Aishwarya. In fact, we have seen several kinds of escalations from the Chinese side witnessed in the past several weeks now. Take us through how important and significant is this meet that the Defence Minister held, and what kind of discussions might have happened? Because we have seen this time there was a standoff with the Chinese, and which was initiated by them this time.
Well, yes, it all began from the 5th and 6th of this month. It was a scuffle, it was a fist fight which saw at least 100 of soldiers on either side getting really hurt, and not a single shot was fired. And then we saw a Chinese PLA chopper getting into 15 to 16 kilometers onto the Indian airspace from the state of Himachal Pradesh. Then we've seen a standoff happening on the border of the Indian state of Uttarakhand. So there have been several of these instances, and then the kind of standoff which has happened in the Pangong Lake back at the Ladakh region, Richa. So what's happening is that the Chinese, because of the LAC is not marked, because the LAC is not a barbed wire fence like that of the LOC. So sometimes, whether it's our soldiers or
happening in a very well sought out manner, and the kind of expansion or the kind of beefing up which the Chinese have done, especially in the Ladakh region, that is becoming a real point of concern. And that's why we are being told that the CDS, all the three chiefs, and then the Defence Minister have basically held this meeting because the government of India has aptly responded. Indian army is not an aggressor. The Indian state is not an aggressor. Hence, we are only responding back to the escalation of the Chinese in an apt manner, Richa.
All right. Thank you so much, Aishwarya, for getting us that update. We'll keep coming back to you for more.